So, if you're having issues with your CarPlay on your Ford Sync 3, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So, first things first is you want to check the basics first. So, start by making sure your iPhone is updated and that you're using a genuine Apple Lightning cable, not a third party one. Plug it into the USB port closest to the sync screen because that's the main data port if you're trying to use wireless CarPlay. Remember that Sync 3 only supports wired connections, so you need the cable plugged in every time. Now, you want to confirm your phone's permissions. Now, go into your iPhone settings, double check a few things, make sure Siri is turned on, and that CarPlay is allowed for your car. Now, you will find it under Settings, then go to General, then CarPlay. Now, if you see your car listed there, tap it and re-enable CarPlay. Also, if you got screen time or privacy restrictions turned on, check that CarPlay isn't being blocked. Sometimes that's all it takes to fix the issue. Next is you want to inspect your connection. Now take a quick look at your USB cable, the port, and even a slightly damaged cable or can interrupt the connection. So try using another cable or another port if possible or available. Now, if you notice the connection cuts in and out while driving, it's often because the cable isn't fitting snugly or has frayed near the connector. Now, your Ford's sync system might just need an update as well. So head to Ford's official website, enter your VIN, and check if a software update is available. Now, you can either install it using USB drive or let the vehicle download it over Wi-Fi if supported. Now, keeping sync updated not only improves CarPlay performance but also fixes a lot of random bugs. Now, if it still doesn't work, unpair your iPhone from sync and also forget the sync connection from your phone's Bluetooth list. Then start both your car and phone before pairing again. Now, if there's still no luck, try doing a soft reset of sync. Now, usually by holding down the power and sync up buttons together for about 10 seconds until the screen reboots. Now, when all fails here, a factory reset of the sync system usually clears deeper connection glitches. Just remember this wipes your saved devices and preference, so once it actually restarts, reconnect your iPhone like it's the first time. If even that doesn't work, the issue might be hardware related, so things like faulty USB hub or an APIM module. So that's when you'd want to have a Ford service center take a look. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.